Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. So, previously we were discussing about setting up an Upwork account and freelancing. As we all know, what Upwork is for those people who are new to this training. So, we have done some previous video on Upwork and how Upwork works. As we all know, Upwork is a freelancing website. So to know more about what freelancing site is, you can just go to our previous video and check more video videos to know more about it. So now continuing with this video, so I want to continue with the account setup. Now, what I want us to do now is setting up our payment method on Upwork. So how do you set up your method on Upwork? So the first thing you have to navigate back to your profile section. So once you navigate back to your profile section, so on your profile, no, before you go to your profile, we'll go back to the settings. Go back to the settings, then uh we can see getting paid, getting paid. So now in this getting paid option, you have to link your a different payment method because once you make your money on Upwork, sorry, once you make your money on Upwork, you have to withdraw your money. As we all know, you start getting paid after you have been awarded a contract and you submitted the project and your buyer approves the project, then your payment gets released. So but your payment gets released after 5 days of working period, after you work after pending days of 5 days of pending. So after your funds gets reviewed after pending, so it's been released to your personal balance, and once it's released to your personal balance, you are available to withdraw the money to your uh, provided bank details. Once your money is out of pending period, it will be in your available balance. You will see here available balance, and the get paid now button will be opened for you to withdraw your fund. So, but so far you have not added any funding source, so you have to add a funding source to your account. So this is where you add your funding source. So now, uh, because I'm based in Nigeria, so that's why they bring me the Nigeria bank method. So if I want to withdraw to my Nigeria bank, then I have to do this. So now, if I don't want to use the Nigerian bank, I can use paper, I can use Pioneer, I can use wire transfer, and I can use direct to US bank. So now, me using this payment method, once I link this payment method, then I can be able to withdraw to this any payment method I link to this Upwork account successfully without any issue. So let me show you my currently used account where I've linked a payment method and how much I've withdrawn. So now here's my previous account, and from this dashboard you can, so on my overview section, let's check the overview section. So now, yeah, this is the overview section. So this is the money I've withdrawn. So these are my transactions on the account. These are my transactions on the account. So I withdraw the $46 recently. So and others as well. So once your money is in pending, you have to wait for 5 days for the money to pend. Then after 5 days, then your money is available for withdrawal in your available balance. So back to the new account we're operating. Sorry. So now we have different payment methods. So I'll be pausing this video for a minute to add my banking details because I'll be using the rest to US bank. If you have a US bank account, you can, as a US person, you can use your US bank account. So and it is free to, there's no charges, there's no fee that you'll be charged for withdrawing. So if you're using Premier, you will be charged $2 when you want to withdraw to your Premier account. Same thing goes with PayPal, but you will be charged just 99 cents for withdrawing to your local bank account. So that's why I was given 0.99, that's 99 cents for withdrawing to my country bank account. But I think I have a US bank account which I would love to integrate with this Upwork account. So give me some minutes. I will pause the video for some minutes so I can add my banking source. So welcome back, guys. So now I've linked my bank account, my US bank account. So after linking my US bank account, it asks me to fill this form. So if I'm a US person, I have to fill the tax residence. If I'm not a US person, I have to fill the W8 Ben form. So let's try and fill this form. So I'm not a US person, so I have to save it. So I've submitted my tax information already. So let me check my get paid option and see if my bank is linked successfully. So as you can see here, my bank is in progress. Yeah, there is an issue here. So why is this issue? It says the beneficiary name is mismatched, which means the name on my account is different from the name on my bank. So I think I have to go and change that first. So let me try and change that and see if it is going to work out. So I will pause the video again so I can fix that and come back. So welcome back again, guys. So now after I've changed the name on my account, so I have to come back to edit my bank account. So yeah, it asks me to make an attest that I'm the owner of this bank account with the name on it. So I have to mark it. So it said ask me to double check the account information again. So the account information is correct. So I have to save the changes. So let's see what. So let's give it some time until their review of the account. And if this is not working out, I have to add another payment method then. So so for my bank, US bank, because the issue I had here was because the name on my bank account was not the same on what I have on my profile. So that's why I have issue with this my bank account adding. So I will try it again. So I will go again to pause the video. Sorry for pausing the video each time. So I'll pause the video again and make corrections to it. So why am I doing this is because I want you to understand one thing about setting up an account on Upwork. Once you face an issue, try and rectify it. Don't just leave it because you've made a mistake and you just end up leaving it like that. You have to make corrections. So the correction I want to make here now is I want to delete the bank account I had it before I change the name. So I have to re-add it again. If the same problem persists, then I have to add another payment method, which I'm going to add my local banking uh, details to it. So once I do that, I will let you know my next uh my next move on it. So I'm going to pause the video again and come back again, guys. So guys, now they asked me to wait for 48 hours because I didn't check this before. That's why I was having issue with linking my US bank account. So I didn't check this before. I was told your name change request is under review. Your request will be processed within 48 hours. Please review identity policy. So once the name change has been made, once they make the name changes to the name, then I have to uh relink, add my banking details again. Once my name has been highly changed, I have to make my payment link. I have to link the bank again. So I will be stopping this video here. So after they review my account for after 48 hours, so I will I will show you guys in my next video, because my next video will be based on how to send a proposal on Upwork. So I will make sure I first show you the video of me getting my bank account linked. So after getting my bank account linked, I will show you the video of their response after 48 hours. Make sure that was first displayed before I start my my video on proposal, send a proposal on Upwork. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.